Craig, your reflection on the 3-1 defeat for Porthmadog at Connah in the Welsh Cup today?
I mean, naturally, I'm disappointed, as are the boys, because we wanted to come here and we had a real belief that we could get through. But at the same time, we give a good count of ourselves. I feel today, I was proud of the boys, the way we played, particularly second half. We moved the ball, we stayed true to our own beliefs, and we created and caused them problems. Ultimately, their physicality and their directness caused us issues, and maybe the quality in the final third just told with the opportunities that they took. But as I said, we've given a good account of ourselves, so I'm proud of the lads.
Scoring first, you thought you were on top of the moon at once, and then within 2 minutes it changed?
And that was a real shame, because we got ourselves into a good position. The lads were confident going one ahead, and then we conceded a poor goal, from a set piece that could have been avoided. Fair play to Gap, they got back in the right times. Didn't really give us time to settle and grow on the confidence with the lead.
After seeing today, do you know what the standard is for the Welsh Prem, and can Porthmadog compete at that level as well?
I think we said that at the end of the game, Del. We said that, it's a set in stone, if you like, because you've seen what these are about, what they do, and how successful they are by doing it. We need to be a bit more streetwise at times, but we're a developing young squad, and now that these lads are coming of age, I'm sure that the experience today will do them a lot of good in the future.
Okay, it's Airbus next, and we're back to Flint. So, what do you expect from next week, the week ahead, and next week as games?
2 tough games, and we had a meeting at the beginning of January, and we set ourselves targets for points, and we know ourselves that 7th isn't good enough for where we want to be, and we need to really progress now in the league and get those points. And we just said that. This is done, this is over. We've enjoyed the occasion, we've given it a good go this year in the Welsh Cup, but now it's back to the league. Airbus next week, we'll go there with confidence, we'll prepare right this week, and it's one game at a time then, and hopefully we'll start climbing the table.
Diolch yn fawr, Craig.
Iawn, diolch ti, Del.